This photo shows a large factory to the east of the town that was once the site of the Tredegar ironworks. The factory belonged to the National Coal Board, which was responsible for all coal mines after 1948. When a piece of machinery in a pit broke down, it would be brought here to be repaired. In this picture, you can see various machines parts along the factory wall waiting to be used or discarded. Today, there are no coal mines left in Wales, so the factory was no longer needed. As a result, the buildings were demolished and cleared away. The large retaining wall you see in the picture remains, but the rest of the land is mainly empty, and only the NCB gates at the very bottom of the land remain.